magnetosomes. These are the another type of cytoplasmic inclusions which may be found in certain bacterial cells cytoplasm. As the name indicates, magneto means this is related to the presence of metals in the bacterial cell cytoplasm inside the vacuoles called as magnetosomes. So these are the membranous structures biomineralized by magnetotactic bacteria. This is a special class of bacteria which contains magnetosomes, magnetotactic bacteria, and these are ubiquitous, aquatic, they are present everywhere, they are aquatic, they are present in water, and these are motile microorganisms. And there is a relationship between the motility of these bacteria and the presence of magnetosomes, because the movement of these bacteria, it is controlled by these magnetosomes in their water habitat. That means these magnetosomes controls or directs these bacteria for their movement in oxygen, in the search of oxygen, in the search of nutrient zone. So bacterial magnetosome, it is unique prokaryotic organelle, and it is comprising of magnetic mineral crystals, and these crystals are surrounded by a magnetic crystals surrounded by a phospholipid bilayer. That means there is a phospholipid bilayer, and inside this phospholipid bilayer there is presence of these magnetosomes. These are specialized compartments and which are composed of phospholipid bilayer membrane surrounding these magnetic crystals, which are made up of a combination of iron with oxygen or sulfur. These magnetosomes contain the crystals of two types of chemicals. They are called as compounds, they are called as magnetite. Magnetite is Fe3O4, or it is the another sulfur containing compound that is called as greigite. It is Fe3S4. So magnetosomes contain these magnetic compounds called as magnetite or greigite. Each magnetosome can often contain 15 to 20 crystals of these two, either this or this, 15 to 20. And the unique feature is that they are present in a line, or they are present in the form of a chain. It is a very unique and fascinating, interesting characteristic of these bacteria. So the morphology or the arrangement of these membrane bound crystals, it varies from species to species of bacteria, with a nominal magnetic domain size between 35 to 120 nanometer. This is the size of magnetosomes. Almost all magnetotactic bacteria arrange their magnetosomes in a chain within a cell, thereby maximizing the magnetic dipole moment of the cell. So as the name indicates, magnetotactic, tactic means response. These bacteria, they show response towards the magnetic field, and that is why they are called as magnetotactic. So magnetosomes, now the function of magnetosome, they cause the bacterial cells, the magnetotactic bacteria, to passively align and swim. They move along the Earth's magnetic field lines as minimum miniature motile compass of needle. So their movement is just like in the direction similar to the compass needle that artificially that we have to find out the direction, the compass. So it acts as a compass, it directs its movement. It is presumed that these magnetotactic bacteria use magnetotaxis. Magnetotaxis means movement in response to magnetic field. It is called as magnetotaxis. In the conjunction with chemotaxis. So magnetotaxis means the movement, taxis is a movement or the reflex movement in response to magnetic field, and movement in response to chemicals. So combination of that is seen in these bacteria. So this movement in relation to magnetotaxis and chemotaxis is for a reason, and that reason is to locate and maintain the optimum position for growth in aqueous environment and its survival in aquatic habitat. So in order to remain in that particular environment friendly favorable environmental zone, these bacteria use this magnetotaxis and chemotaxis phenomena. This is a very beautiful picture of this magnetotactic bacterium. You can see it is having showing a amphitrachus arrangement of bacterial flagellum. So flagellum is present at both the ends here and here, and this is the bacterial cell which is present in aqueous environment, and we can see these are magnetosomes. We can see it's a unique feature that they are present in a line, and all of them are covered with a phospholipid bilayer. This is how we can see this is the transmission electron micrograph of this magnetotactic bacteria. You can see here this is shown by the arrow, the magnetosomes. These are the magnetosomes. This is electron microscopic picture. This is the line you see in case of bacterium. So they are present like this. We can see their arrangement. So all these minerals are stored in magnetosomes. The iron minerals, sulfur minerals, they are stored in this magnetosome. So there you can see their arrangement. They are arranged in a line, and their arrangement is very regular. This is the crystal inside, and this is the magnetosome membrane, and this membrane is made up with phospholipid bilayer. So this shows the function. So Earth's magnetic field is shown here, and these presence of these magnetosomes, it directs the movement of these bacteria according to the magnetic field of Earth, which is called as magnetoreception. They are helpful in detoxification also, which may be caused due to respiratory oxidative activities. And other potential functions, it includes the ion storage of iron, and sequestering, release of ion. Then electrochemical battery, it reserves energy, and it acts as a gravity sensor. So that is the story of these fantastic magnetosomes in bacterial cell.